Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic power solution for popular RC drones like the E58, L800, JY019, and S168. This is the LEEZAD 5 PCS 3.7V 1200 mAh RC drone's lithium battery set, which also includes a very handy 5-in-1 charging cable. Right off the bat, getting 5 extra batteries is a game changer. It means significantly more flight time, letting you enjoy your drone for much longer sessions without constantly needing to land and recharge. Each battery provides 1200 mAh of power, offering a good balance of capacity and performance for these specific drone models. The included 5-in-1 charging adapter cable is a major highlight of this set. Instead of charging batteries one by one using a standard cable, you can connect up to 5 batteries at the same time. This makes the charging process so much more efficient and convenient, especially when you have multiple batteries to get ready for flight. It's a portable charging solution that simplifies getting all your power sources ready. Compatibility is key, and this set is designed specifically for those popular models like the E58, L800, JY019, S168, and other compatible RC aircraft, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's intended as a direct spare part or an upgrade to extend your flying sessions. Looking at the batteries themselves, the case is made from a premium plastic material. This gives them a sturdy and stable feel, suggesting they can handle regular use and the occasional bump that comes with drone operation. The manufacturer emphasizes that the batteries have no loosening problem, which is important for maintaining a secure connection within the drone during flight. Safety is also a priority with these lithium batteries. They come equipped with built-in overcharge protection and short-circuit protection. These features are crucial for ensuring a safe charging process, preventing potential issues, and giving you peace of mind while powering up your batteries. Despite packing 1200 mAh of power, the design is lightweight. This is important for drone batteries as excess weight can impact flight performance and duration. The lightweight nature also makes the set easy to carry around, whether you're heading to a park or a flying spot, offering easy portability. Overall, this LEEZAD battery and charging set provides power security for your drone. The combination of multiple high-capacity batteries, a convenient multi-charger, safety features, and a durable, lightweight design makes it an essential spare part or upgrade for compatible RC quadcopters. It offers a long lifespan, ensuring you get plenty of use out of the set and maximizing your flight time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.